Wish you a very happy World Environment Day. This is the environment of our house, and I welcome you all to have a look at all my plants and my garden today. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th of June for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. It was first held in 1974 for raising awareness on different environmental issues. So let us take a pledge to save our earth, to save our environment. So it is our duty, our responsibility to maintain the environment of the place where we live in. So grow plants, trees in your garden, in your balcony, in your terrace, wherever you can. It will help to save the environment to some extent, and it will also enhance the beauty of the environment you live in. So you can see many plants and trees are there in my garden. We have got mango trees, neem tree, araucaria, jamun tree, ixora, this is gardenia, and many more ornamental plants are there in my garden, because ornamental plants, they love low light and they cannot withstand harsh sunlight. These are snake plants, and there's one peace lily here. These are some of my hanging plants. I've got asparagus, Christmas cactus, wandering Jew, money plant, golden pothos, purple heart. This is another kind of snake plant. This is cylindrical snake plant. Snake plants are the best air purifying plants according to NASA. You can keep them indoors. This one is an aglaonema. Here I've got blooming Ruellia flowers. This is Dracena, and these are all my caladium collection. I've got Calathea here, another aglaonema, coleus, bamboo plant, and philodendron, spider plants. This is a hedge plant, and this is pinwheel flower plant. There's coleus here also. So this is the overall view of our garden. This is my vertical garden. The turtle vine has grown so beautifully. These are my enjoy pothos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, or if you are new to my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also hit the notification bell icon so that you can stay updated to my videos. I have kept many of my hanging plants in my terrace also. I keep most of my flowering plants and vegetable plants on the terrace. So let's go and have a look at the terrace. So this is the terrace on the second floor. You can see the mango trees clearly from here. And I have also done a video on the benefits of raw and ripe mangoes. You can watch that in my channel. In the hanging baskets, I have got sweet potato vine, pudina or mint, oxalis, wandering Jew, spider plant, golden pothos. This is a pumpkin plant. A beautiful hibiscus has bloomed today. This is my dragon fruit plant, and I have few videos on this. These are portulaca plants, and they are blooming beautifully. And there are many more other summer flowers yet to bloom. This is vinca. This is purple heart. I have kept a kalanchoe in this pot. These are golden pothos. This is another variety of spider plant. This is another variety of wandering Jew. This is oxalis or butterfly plant. This is my mint plant or pudina plant. And this is a sweet potato vine. This is another turtle vine, and this is a hedge plant. I have grown golden pothos in bamboo planters. I have done this hanging pot from liquid detergent bottle, and I have grown turtle vine and tangled heart. I have made this bamboo planter and have placed syngonium here. I have separate videos for these in my channel. You can go and watch. This araucaria has grown so big, it has crossed the third floor also. From the terrace, you can't even see the garden at the ground because of the trees. So you can also make your garden, terrace, balcony, your room very beautiful with plants and trees. There's one watermelon plant also, and it is flowering, and the pumpkin flowers are yet to bloom. This bougainvillea plant will bloom soon. These are adenium plants. This is dahlia and chrysanthemum plants, and I have propagated them from cuttings, and I'll give a separate video of this. See, my watermelon is growing well, and the video is in process. I'll post it soon. I'm growing all my plants in an organic way with organic potting soil mixture and organic fertilizers. This is also an environmental friendly method without using chemical fertilizers or without using any chemical pesticides and insecticides. These are all flowers in my garden in various seasons. Also, I had grown some organic vegetables during winter. Some fruits also I had grown. You can watch various videos in my channel regarding this, about how to make organic potting mixture, how to make organic fertilizer mixture, or how I have grown cherry tomatoes, strawberries, capsicums, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers in my terrace garden, that too in an organic way. Look how beautiful strawberries I had grown in my terrace garden. All these organic vegetables were grown in my terrace garden in containers during winter, and I got good results of crop. I had even grown bok choy, red cabbage, cauliflower, chilies, lettuce, all in terrace garden in containers. So even if you don't have your garden, you can grow each and every vegetable or fruits in containers at home, in your terrace or balcony. Just give it a try. Love plants, love your environment, and love your Mother Earth. Engage your children in gardening, grow interest in them so that in future they can also grow plants and trees and make your environment beautiful. And with this we can make our Mother Earth beautiful and save our planet. You can make eco-friendly bamboo planters like this. I have a separate video for this, you can watch that. These all are my organic vegetables which grew in winter in containers and grow bags in my terrace garden. These are some beautiful succulents, string of pearls, string of tears, and burro's tail or donkey's tail. These are some flowers from last winter. I have decorated my window with some indoor plants, with Chinese bamboo, with snake plants, Haworthia, Cryptanthus, Philodendron and succulents. I have used croton leaves, golden pothos in hydroponic system, that means in water, to decorate my window, and even have some hanging planters containing tangled heart and asparagus. Watch my video on how I have done this dot painting on this glass bottle. So try to save your environment in whatever way you can, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new or if you haven't done yet. Hit the notification bell icon so that you can get updates whenever I post videos. And if you like the video, please click the like button and help me grow my channel. I'll be back with another interesting video soon. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.